Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Apple TV. This is the 4K. Let's open it up. There's a little green arrow here. You're going to pull that. That's going to break the seal. Now we can open it up. And there's another one at the top. So 2 seals. Okay, let's open it up. There's what we get. There's the Apple TV. Let's pull this. There's the remote, there's a cable. Looks like we got some other stuff in here. Well, that piece of paper down there didn't want to come out, but I do have some instructions. Let's see, we got a cable. That's the plug-in cable, so you're going to plug it in. This is going to go into the Apple TV. We got to take this off. This thing looks nice. Take the bottom off. So that's kind of smooth. But you're going to plug it in. Let's see if we can plug it in. Either way. And then there's an HDMI port out. It does not come with an HDMI cable, so you got to plug an HDMI cable to your TV and then plug this in. Okay, let's take the protective coating off of the remote. Oh, the remote looks nice. Volume, power, thumb wheel. And you charge it with USB-C. And so it does come with a little instruction manual, very simple. Power cord, HDMI out. And again, you do have to charge it with that USB-C cable in the bottom. There is a little green LED light there, looks like maybe. Okay, so I plugged it into a USB-C port. I didn't see any green light anywhere. Nothing really shows that it's charging. So this is the Siri button right here. We press and hold that, you can talk to Siri. Okay, so let's go over some measurements. So right about 3 3/4. It's pretty much a cube, a square. Thickness-wise, 1.25 inches. You know, the cable sticks out the back about 1 inch. HDMI cable. This is smooth, but it is kind of textured a little bit. Okay, so the cord that comes with it is 60 inches long. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.